indicated he has paper discovery. Do you have digital available for him?
Yes, Your Honor. It does look like it's available. I just have to be transparent. Evidence on comment not working on my laptop right now, but I will have one of the interns send it out.
All right. So she's going to send it to you. You're going to get it to him today?
Yes.
All
All
right.
right. His client's in custody. What's that?
I just said sounds good with respect to discovery. I'll be on the lookout for that.
All right. And then I have his exam next week at 1 o'clock.
What date is that, Your Honor?
October 15th.
October 15th, 1 o'clock. That actually works. Yes.
Perfect.
And I'd like to address bond, Your Honor.
He doesn't have anywhere to go. His mom came in and said he couldn't go there.
So I understand that his mother does not want him to stay with her. However, she did confirm that the townhouse he was living at is available. He was renting a townhouse, and mother confirmed that the fiance that was involved with this incident is no longer living there with her children. So it appears to be empty. That is the address on Waddell Street, 16118 Waddell Street. My client did have a pretty well-paying job. I spoke to his boss with All Innovative Services. He does construction, renovation, and his boss tells me that he would still employ Mr. Pollington, that he does fantastic work. So he's trying to hang on to both a place to stay as well as his livelihood, his means to make some income. So he's really just desperate trying to get out of jail. He understands absolutely no contact with the complaining witness in this case. And his bond is right now $2,500 at 10%, and he doesn't have the ability to post that $250. So I'd ask Your Honor to consider a personal bond with the tether to the Waddell address.
Yeah.
I would, the people would oppose any modification to the bond at this time. The charges are very severe, one of them involving arson. I was in contact with the complaining witness. I know that they were very scared. This involves, the use of gasoline on the property.
I thought it was, he put baking grease on his foot.
No, he did light the grass and apparently his foot on fire. I don't want to misstate the facts exactly, but that's what I remember.
I skimmed the discovery because I just received it, but I thought it was bacon grease as well. And I should point out my clients denied these allegations.
It would be my mistake if it was not.
I mean, there is an allegation. I mean, the investigator's report says it was bacon grease and it was his foot. I mean, obviously these are just allegations. I also have to look at likelihood of conviction. There's allegations in here that, the complainant indicated that she'd been punched multiple times in the face and then recanted that story and said she was just pushed. So, I mean, that goes directly to your likelihood of conviction if you have a complaining witness who's got some credibility issues and got a guy who put bacon grease on his foot and lit his foot on fire. Is that what is really happening here today? Is that really the allegation in front of me?
Your Honor, when I spoke, would you like me to go over what I had heard?
Go ahead. I mean, I wanted you to go over the allegations. I don't want you to, but yeah.
From what I was told, it was that it was bacon grease. That was spread on the lawn and that it was lit fire and then he stepped into it. So that's what I had heard. From what I recall, the complaining witness was cooperative. The report may say otherwise, but from what I recall, that was sorry, Judge.
We've got a problem. Sorry.
What was it?
I don't know. We've had giant spiders in here the last couple of days. All right. Sorry. We had a minor spider emergency in the courtroom. Okay. Look.
Again, that's what I have written here, but I don't want to mistake the facts and mistake the court.
I don't see he got another felony pending?
I'm not aware of any. I mean, I'm trying to look at the allegations now, Your Honor. I'm not seeing the lawn aspect of this. I see that he went on the lawn at one point, but the breaking grease apparently happened inside, allegedly.
I was just present for the swearing on this, and I know it said right in the report that there were allegations made, then they were recanted, then
I'm gonna see if there's anything pending as well. I didn't see anything. I don't have anything in my system that shows any other pending felonies.
is Ms. Kellogg, are you out of that house?
I'm currently moving into a different apartment.
Okay, so you're not staying at that location anymore?
No, I'm still trying to get more of my stuff out today and tomorrow, and then I'll be in my new apartment.
Okay. All right, here's the thing. I'm going to Mr. Eichinger, bring it up next week when I hear testimony. I'll see everyone next week. I want to hear testimony. He's got a 2,500, 10% with the GPS bond. He's got a low cash or low 10% bond as it is. After I hear testimony, I'll entertain a bond argument.
Thank you.
All right, we're all set. No, Mr. Pongton, you talk to your attorney. You're all set.
Can we have a breakout room for a few more minutes? Thank you.
Can you talk to him afterwards? Because I have to give Ms. Richards' client in there as well.
Oh, sure.
So I can put him in. I can ask them to bring him back in, or you can contact the jail, but I got to get these moving at the jail.
Understood.